Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make bread omelette. So here are all the ingredients that are required. So you need eggs, tomato actually, and capsicum and green chilies with bread. So we'll start by chopping all the ingredients nicely. You have to chop them like really fine. So here you can see how am I chopping them. So I'll chop all these ingredients like this. Here you can see my ingredients are ready and I've chopped them all. So now you have to add some milk and now start adding all the ingredients in the bowl. Here you can see I'm adding all the ingredients. Like this. So you have to add the eggs. I'm using 2 eggs here. So after adding the eggs also, you have to mix this like really well. So I'm mixing it. After that, what we're going to do is that we'll add some mint powder, around 1 teaspoon, and after that we'll mix it again. And now I will add some salt according to the taste, like whatever you like. So pinch of salt. Now we will add a teaspoon of garam masala or chicken masala into our mixture. Mix it well. So now add around 1 tablespoon of ghee into the pan, and now we'll add our mixture on the pan. So initially we're starting on a like high flame or high temperature. After that you have to add these breads like this and flip them. Once you have done this, then you have to lower the flame or the heat, whatever you're using, and you have to wait. You have to let it like this. Now you have to fold your egg and fold the bread like this, and then we are going to let it cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame or low temperature, low heat, so that all the vegetables and all these ingredients they are on a like they taste good and they are not raw. So let's cook it like this. And now you can serve your bread omelette hot with tea or whatever you like. Please subscribe to our channel and push the bell icon. Thanks for watching.